Okay, well, as with all energy efficient buildings, the very first principle to bear in mind is design, okay? Because you have to be designing for passive energy conservation. And really, you know, any building, if it's well designed, will be cooler in summer and warmer in winter without any other mechanisms or anything to embellish it. I mean, the internal climate control is an important additional feature which we like to incorporate in some of our buildings. It's not essential. It's going to vary quite a lot according to the actual microclimate where you are, okay? So if you're located on the coast, you're going to want a different combination of factors to if you're located inland. I mean, here we're in Granada, it's a completely different solution to if you're down in Vejer or if you're up in Tarragona. You know, especially in Spain, if it's 40 degrees outside and you walk into a cathedral, you know that feeling where it's really, really cool? That's what we're after. Right, okay, how do we heat and cool the space? By the way, about 80% of all the energy that you use conventionally is for heating and cooling your space, okay? So if we can knock that one out of the equation, we've really made a huge difference to the energy efficiency of our house. And one of the ways we do this is by using an air to water heat pump. An air to water heat pump, which is going to use electricity to power the condenser, but in order to make that net carbon zero, we use a PV panel, perhaps on the roof, which is going to feed into the grid. You're going to draw off the grid to feed your compressor, but over the period of the whole year, it's going to be net carbon neutral. That air-to-water heat pump is going to power either cold water in the summer or warm water in the winter into an underfloor heating or cooling system. Now, very good question. What is more important, humidity or temperature? And, you know, we normally think of temperature as being the most important factor in how hot or cold we feel. And actually, it's really humidity, because your ability to sweat is what determines how comfortable you feel or how hot or cold you feel. And if the humidity is very high, it's more difficult to sweat. So you'll find actually that you feel more comfortable at, say, 27 degrees temperature and 30% humidity than you do at, say, 22 degrees temperature and 75% humidity. So the humidity is really key here, and what we put in our buildings is we put in a traditional air conditioning system for the 10 odd or so days a year in Spain that you're going to need it in the summer. The important thing about that is that it reduces the humidity in the space so that you feel much cooler.